minutes later.
Go ahead and run the Tapo app.
Testing. 1, 2, 3.
The privacy mode turns off the camera until you turn it back on. Once you are in the motion detection screen, draw a rectangle for the area you want to detect motions.
Set the alarm on, and let's try the alarm.
Motion detected and the sound is coming out from the device itself.
Turn the alarm off. So that's the motion detection feature with alarm. You can play back. So this is the last detected motion detection. You can play back, recorded in the SD card attached inside your camera.
Testing out the motion detection again. Let's see what we captured during motion detection.
Do you know you can also do continuous recording and motion detection recording? Click on recording schedule and then decide when you want to do continuous recording or motion detection recording. Just click on edit and pick the time you want to do continuous recording by clicking on the boxes like this. You can also hold down a particular day and decide on the time range you want to do motion detection, or swipe the title continuous recording schedule. Click on done when you are complete and check the tick mark when you are done. Go back and you are done.